أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, after the agreement of subhanahu wa ta'ala, in fact approval of the subhanahu wa ta'ala, to the submission of the mankind to accept the amanat and perform the duties of a viceroy, an agreement took place between the two parties. Party number one, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and party number two, the mankind. After this, the authority in chief of the universe, subhanahu wa ta'ala, directed all his forces dealing with earth, particularly the angels, to bow in front of the viceroy, the new viceroy, who will command total authority on earth vis-a-vis Shaitan, Iblis, who has refused to submit to the mankind. The first party, party number one, Allah Ta'ala Rabbul Alameen, not only gave the mankind authority to work as viceroy with all powers and authority, but also responsibility. He managed to give extraordinary education to the mankind. The example is that when the angels were asked to demonstrate their ilm, their knowledge, they submitted incapability, as in Quran, Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana, that our ilm or knowledge is limited what you have bestowed upon us, otherwise we don't know anything. But Adam alayhi salam, the mankind, was very much knowledgeable, and his knowledge encompasses every dimension of the matters running in the earth and in the universe. That actually gave mankind a facility to utilize all resources of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the earth. However, this was not a complete freedom, because complete freedom is only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and nobody else. Therefore, he sent prophets of high dignity, like Nuh alayhi salam, as he says, Salamun ala Nuhun fil alameen, and Salamun ala Ibrahim, Salamun ala Musa wa Harun, and a prophethood continued from Adam alayhi salam to Nuh alayhi salam, and from Nuh alayhi salam to the last prophet, Khataman Nabiyyin, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. They demonstrated how to perform the difficult job of viceroyship, whereas the authority is not the own of the mankind, it has been bestowed upon him. Therefore, they performed excellent duties. Nuh alayhi salam for 500 years, in fact. Ibrahim alayhi salam for many years. Musa alayhi salam for almost 40 years and plus. And finally, when it was also declared that Al-Yawma Akmaltu Lakum Dinakum, that deen has become complete now with the advent of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam era. As such, we the present day subjects of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the world have to follow all prophets, right from Nuh alayhi salam to Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Only then there will be peace. That will in fact ensure complete subservience of the utilization of the resources of the world to the will of God. Only then can use of these resources will be productive. Otherwise, shaitan, devil, will ensure that these resources are not utilized for the benefit of the human being. The example of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the one which was to be followed in toto, because he was not given knowledge like other prophets, but he was also confirmed to have extraordinary qualities, like it is said, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that if you follow me, you will reach Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I have been sent to be giving all dimensions of the human life to be followed and to be ensured in the Sirat al-Mustaqim for the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is in following Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Gentlemen, the life of human being is multidimensional, and it is not only ibadat which we conceive that it is ibadat. Ibadat is obviously, this is the start, the prayers, the Saum Salat and everything. It is the first part of the human being to do ibadat. But otherwise, ibadat is known as complete submission to Allah, in which the different dimensions of human life, like economic system of human life, political system, military system, social system, educational system, judicial system, all these are to be subservient to the will of Allah and the dictates given to all prophets by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Only then can you say that you are doing the bandagi, the ibadat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is a marked difference between the economic system of Islam, between the political system of Islam and other systems of human life, and that is also we should cover up in future lectures, because that is the whole human life to be, particularly when Viceroy is going to be discussed. Viceroy is not only to lead his life according to the dictates of Islam, but he is also to ensure that everything on the earth, whether it is human being or it is other beings, they are to be according to the dictates of Allah given in Quran and Sunnah. In Sunnah, in fact, this is more important, because that has the practical demonstration of what has been sent in Quran.